welcome to Steve McDonald's Crafting, and today what I'm going to be doing is making a little parasol, some flip-flop and a little towel as well to go in a little beach scene using polymer clay, little bits of cardboard, this little stick and different colours of polymer clay. And it's fairly easy to do. Before you use polymer clay you do need to condition it, and that just means getting it nice and warm and getting it really nice and soft. It's a warm day in here today, so this is actually quite easy to condition. That's nicely conditioned. Now if you've got a pasta machine you can run it through the pasta machine, but if not then you can just roll it out using a little rolling pin, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm working just on a plastic sheet here. So this is for the umbrella, so I'm just going to squidge that all over there like that, so it's got a nice coating. Far too warm for doing polymer clay really. So that'll be the top of the umbrella, and then I will use a little stick going in there like that. It's just a cocktail stick, I don't need it to be quite as long as it is, and I do want a flat end, but I'm not going to cut it off short until I've got it inside the brolly here and I've got everything how I want it, and I've baked it, because I want to ensure that I cut it at the right length. And what I sometimes do, if I do it beforehand, then I tend to cut it too short. What I also want to do is get rid of some of those fingerprints, and I just use this, and this is clay thinner, and then go over it with a nice clean paintbrush, and that will smooth out all those little fingerprints so that they're not going to cause any problems. And then I'm also going to just go round it and put a little bit of detail in while it's here. And so what I've done is I've squidged the edges to thin them out, and then that makes it a little bit more look like it's a umbrella or a parasol. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little hole in the middle here which will bake. I'm not going to bake the stick in it, I'm just going to make the little hole, because I will glue the stick in it at the end. I'll put it on some parchment paper to bake it. Now to make the flip-flops, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut out some flip-flop shape of this colour. I'm just wiping my tray down so I don't contaminate the yellow clay, and making sure I've got it all off my fingers. And these embellishments are so easy to make, and they can really make your resin work or anything that you're doing look great. Only need a little bit. That little bit will probably be enough. So I'm just going to warm this up, and I still managed to get some in it. Look, it'll just make them look like they've been worn. These are all baked up now and they're nice and hard. I'm really pleased with how the flip-flops have come out and all the bits and pieces. What I am going to do is I am going to paint this one with some stripes, and I'm also going to pop some white stripes into the umbrella as well. Other than that, I'm not really going to change them. So this I'm just going to paint all over in white and then blue stripes on that afterwards. These are finished now and they've all baked and I've painted them and I'm really happy with how they come out. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. The little towel, the life ring, flip flops and the umbrella or parasol. I'm now going to add these to a project I'm doing on my resin channel, so if you want to see what I'm doing on that, then check out that video. I'll link it in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I get a new video coming out. Take care, enjoy your crafting, bye.